Hi guys, my name is Iyad, and today I will be talking about 10 facts about space that you might probably didn't know about. Number 1 we have, space is completely silent. This situation occurs as there is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to be traveled to be heard. Number 2, the hottest planet in our system is up to 450 degrees Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system and an average surface temperature of around 450 degrees Celsius. Did you know that Venus isn't the closest planet to the Sun? That is Mercury. You will think that Mercury would then be the hottest, but Mercury has no atmosphere, which regulates temperature, resulting in big fluctuation, thus making Mercury the second hottest planet with an average surface of around 167 degrees Celsius. Number 3, a full NASA space suit costs 12 million USD. Wow, while I only have 12 million in my pocket. Well, anyway, the entire suit costs a cool 12 million. 70% of that cost is for the backpack and control model. However, the spacesuit that NASA uses were built back in 1974. If this were priced by today's pricing, they would cost an estimated $150 million. Yes, but I still have 12 ringgit. Well. Number 4, the Sun's mass takes up 99.86% of the solar system. The Sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in our solar system, with a mass of around 30,000 times that of Earth. The Earth sounds quite small, don't you think? Did you know that the Sun is made up of mostly hydrogen, 3/4 worth, with the rest of its mass attributed to helium? If the Sun had a voice, will it be high and squeaky from all that helium? I guess we'll never know. Number 5. 1 million Earths can fit inside the Sun. The Sun is large enough that approximately 1.3 million Earths could fit inside if squished in, or if the Earth retained a spherical shape, then 960,000 would fit. But can you visualize the number of Earths? Well, neither can I. Next up on the list, there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Our universe, the Milky Way, being an average size for a galaxy, it has an approximately 100 to 400 stars compared to the trees in the Earth, which is about 3.04 trillion trees as of now. This means that there are roughly 422 trees for every person on Earth. Wow, that's lots of trees. But still, here I am, having a short breath. Well, anyway. Next one, we have the sunset on Mars appears blue. Just as colors are made more dramatic in sunset on Earth, sunset on Mars, according to NASA, would appear bluish to human observers watching from the red planet. Finders make the blue near the sun's part of the sky much more visible, while normal daylight where the red planet's familiar rusty dust color, the most perceptible to the human eye. Next up on the list, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on the Earth. Can you imagine how much is sand on the beach? Now, try to count one by one. You will think it's infinite, right? Well, the universe extends far beyond our own galaxy, the Milky Way, which is why scientists can only estimate how many stars are in space. However, scientists estimate the universe contains approximately 1 stars, which is 1 followed by 24 zeros. While no one can actually count every single grain of sand on the Earth, the estimated total from researchers at the University of Hawaii is somewhere around 7,500 kilometers. That is an awfully bad sandcastle. Furthermore, 1 day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Venus has a slow axis rotation, which takes 243 Earth days to complete its day. The orbit of Venus on the Sun is 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus 18 days less than a day on Venus. And lastly, there is a planet made of diamonds. Yes, a diamond. The pricey and valuable things on Earth. There's actually a planet made of diamonds, twice the size of Earth. The super, aka 55 Cancri, is most likely covered in graphite and diamonds. Paying a visit to the planet will be paid for the $25 million spacesuit needed to get there. But hey, if you're the most hated guy on Earth, you went there. And that's all for me. Thank you.